You've got the certifications. Maybe you've even completed Lean Six Sigma or the Google Project Management course. You send out resumes, but nothing happens. Sound familiar? In this video, I'll share the 5 biggest reasons why you're not landing a project manager role, and more importantly, what you can do today to fix it. Mistake number 1, relying only on certifications. A common misconception is that certifications automatically open doors. The truth? They only get you past the first filter. Employers want to see how you've applied what you learned. Instead of just writing certified PMP on your resume, show results. For example, applied PMP practices to manage a $200,000 rollout project, completing it 2 weeks early. Mistake number 2, weak storytelling in your resume. Many resumes read like a list of chores instead of achievements. For example, coordinated meetings. That's weak. A stronger version. Coordinated cross-functional meetings that reduced project delays by 15%. Always frame your experience using the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. That's how you show impact, and that's what hiring managers care about. Mistake number 3, not leveraging transferable skills. You don't need the title of project manager to prove PM experience. If you've worked as a supervisor, operations manager, or even a teacher, you've likely planned, budgeted, and delivered projects already. Reframe your past experience in project language. Instead of saying supervised a team, say manage project schedules and risk for a 10-person team across 3 sites. This translation makes all the difference. Mistake number 4, ignoring networking and mentorship. Here's a harsh truth. 70 to 80% of project management jobs are filled through referrals, not job boards. If you're applying cold on LinkedIn all day, you're at a disadvantage. Join PMI chapters, attend webinars, engage in project management LinkedIn groups. And if possible, find a mentor, a senior PM who's been in your shoes. Mentorship can shortcut your journey by years. Mistake number 5, targeting the wrong role. Many first-timers aim straight for project manager positions, but companies often want proven experience. The smarter path is to start with entry-level roles like project coordinator, junior PM, or even business analyst. These roles give you hands-on project management exposure, and within 1 to 2 years, you can confidently step into a project manager position. Here's a bonus tip. Build a project portfolio. Document even small projects, volunteer work, side projects, or coursework, showing how you planned, executed, and delivered results. Put this in a Notion page, LinkedIn post, or personal website. When you show proof of action, you move from certified candidate to experienced candidate. So to recap, don't just rely on certifications. Tell a strong story in your resume. Translate your existing skills. Network smartly. Target the right level, and showcase a portfolio of real projects. If you're struggling to land a PM role, drop a comment below with your background, and I'll share tailored tips.